Hello everyone, thanks for stopping by the Camping Family channel. Out in the rig working on a project today. I had bought a new battery, both the Deep Cycle and the Coach battery last week, and I'd like to put a maintainer on the chassis battery. So that's the project today. I have it on a C-Tech charger right now, maintainer. Works good, I just want to put in one a little more permanent. Let me show you what I bought over here on the table, and we'll get started on the project. All right, here's the charger I decided to go with. This is the NOCO GENIUS 2D. D is for direct wiring. This is the one that wires directly to your battery. Doesn't have the clips. So more of a permanent installation. Looked like a good unit. And we're going to give it a shot. So yeah, this is the NOCO GENIUS 2. There's the box. 2 amps, 12 volt. Has quite a few stages that it goes through, which is what I like. Has that 3-year warranty. Highly rated. These are, between these and the other brand that I was using, these have pretty good ratings. So I've never had a NOCO before, and kind of anxious to try it out. Inside the box, they do give you 2 self-tapping screws. Rather short though. They give you a little harness to secure it to whatever you're going to secure it to. And the unit itself. So, kind of a short cable, something to be mindful of. So you're looking at maybe 2 feet from ring to the unit. So just be mindful of that, and then you do have your AC side here. So let's go out to the engine compartment. I've already found a place I'd like to mount this, so it should work well. All right, let's go outside. Okay, I've got the NOCO GENIUS Direct Connect completed. Wasn't my first option, but I ended up mounting it right here to the firewall. There's a piece of frame here. So I've got it connected to the frame. I used self-tapping screws to put the mount on, and then mounted the charger to it, which left the power cord over here. So gonna work on this a little bit. I'd like to mount it over here as well. I might put some tie downs over here just to mount it so it doesn't flap. But then I took the 12 volt side, ran it under here, ran it behind these tubes. So I attached it to the positive and negative. So everything is secure, and I'm very happy. So there it is. It's a smaller unit than I had thought. Pretty compact. But there it is, charging away. So when the rig is at a standstill for longer than a week, I'm just going to plug it in. That way the battery is maintained. Alright, well, thanks for stopping by on this quick install of this NOCO GENIUS Direct Connect battery maintainer charger. Any questions, let me know. Links in the description for the product. Alright, we'll see you on the next one.